Hello, welcome back to Harris Maths. Find the resultant of two vectors of magnitudes 8 units and 10 units if the angle between them is 90 degrees in the first instance and secondly 120 degrees. We'll tackle the 90 degrees angle first. So here we have the two vectors, and this is our vector triangle. Note that 8 is not necessarily the vector of magnitude 8 is not necessarily in this position. So we've drawn it here and we've completed our triangle with the hypotenuse being the resultant. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have that r squared is equal to 8 squared and 10 squared. So we have that r squared is equal to 164, which implies that r is approximately 12.8. And theta is equal to 8 over 10, which implies that theta is equal to 38.7 degrees. So we can conclude that the resultant is of magnitude 12.8 units at an angle of 38.7 degrees. We must state with which vector? With the vector of magnitude 10 units. So this is a case of two perpendicular vectors. We apply Pythagoras' theorem to find the resultant. Next, we'll look at the angle between these two vectors being 120 degrees. Now here are two vectors of magnitudes 8 and 10 units with an angle of 120 degrees between them. This is our vector triangle. And we can see that, again, we're shown here that vector of 8 units, magnitude of 8 units, we position it here as opposed to where it's positioned here in this diagram. So we show the angle of 120 degrees, which allows us to calculate what this angle is between the two vectors, which is 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees. So by the cosine rule, we have that r squared is equal to 10 squared, add 8 squared minus 2 times 8 times 10 times cosine 60 degrees. And this evaluates to 84. It's r squared, so r approximately 9.17. By the sine rule, we have that sine theta over 8 is equal to sine 60 degrees over r. Therefore, we can write that sine theta, 8 times root 3 over 2 divided, oops, we're going out of, over 9.17, which is equivalent to 0.756, where theta now is equal to 49.1 degrees. And now we can write our conclusions, that the resultant is of magnitude 9.17 units at an angle 49.1 degrees with the vector of magnitude 10 units. So in this case, these two vectors are non-perpendicular to each other. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like it if you think it's a good video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.